This question is asking determine the floating point sign bit 0 or 1, mantissa in base 10, and exponent in base 10 of the following numbers. Here we have three negative numbers, and let's see how to. Let's look at the A part. In the A part, we have negative 50, negative 1. So the sign bit is going to be 1 because for negative, the sign bit is 1. For positive, the sign bit is 0. And the next one is mantissa. Mantissa can be found by converting this one into binary. Now this negative sign is just for the sign bit. Other than that, we're just going to deal with the positive value, that is 1, and then we are going to convert this one into binary by we can convert this one to binary by dividing by until we get 0. So this is going to be 75 and the remainder is 0. Then 75 divided by 2, 37 and the remainder is 1. And 37 divided by 2, that is 18 and the remainder is 1. And then 18 divided by 2, that is 9 and the remainder is 0. 9 divided by 2, that is 4 and the remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2, that is 2 and the remainder is 0. And then 2 divided by 2, that is 1 and the remainder is 0. Then 1 divided by 2, that is 0 and the remainder is 1. And then we go from bottom to top, and here we get 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, to find out the exponent of this one, we move decimal point from here to this location. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have 7 moves to reach this place, so it means the exponent is 7. And to find out the mantissa, we just have to convert this one after putting a point here, we have to convert this one into decimal. Okay, currently it's in binary. So 1, this is 2 power, this is at 2 power 0 location, so that's going to be 1, and then plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so this is 2 power 3 location, it's 1 over 8, then minus 4 minus 5 minus 7, minus 5 is 2 power minus 5 is 32, so 1 over 32. 2 power minus 6, 1 over 64, and if we add them together, that gives the mantissa. So if you do that, you get 1.71875. Since this is a floating point, this is a 16-digit decimal number, so 6 is gone, so 10 more digits need to have, so we put zeros to fill that. 1 2 3 4 5 7. Okay, now let's look at the B part. And in the B part, we have minus 209.0. Oh, now I convert this one into first the sign bit is 1 because this is a negative number. Then we need to convert this one into binary in order to see the mantissa and the exponent. Just look at the positive value only. So convert 209 into binary. Divided by 2, so that's 1 of 4 remainder, and 1 of 4 divided by 2, that is 52 and the remainder is 0. And 52 divided by 2, that is 26 and the remainder is 0. And then 26 divided by 2, that is 13 and the remainder is 0. And then 13 divided by 2, that is 6 and the remainder is 1. And then 6 divided by 2, that is 3 and the remainder is 0. 3 divided by 2, that is 1 and the remainder is 1 divided by 2, that is 0 and the remainder is 1. We go from bottom to top. So this is going to be 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. To find out the exponent, I move from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To reach the point, we need 7 move. So in exponent is 7. And if I convert this one into decimal with this point right here, going to be the mantissa. So here this 1 is at 2 power 0 location, so that's 1. And then this is at 2 power minus 1, so this is 1 over 2. Then the 2 power minus, we have 1 over 8. And then minus 4 minus 5 minus 7. 2 power minus 7 is 1 over 128. And if you add them together, that's going to be the mantissa for this one. So if you do that, you're going to get 1.638125. Here we have 8 digits are gone, so 8 more digits to fill up the number is 0. 8. So that is mantissa for this one. So that's B part. Now let's go to the C part. Negative 40.0. Here sign bit is going to be 1 because that's a negative number. And then to find out the mantissa and the exponent, we have to convert this into a binary first. So I take the 240 then divide by 2, that is 120. The remainder is 0 here. 120 divided by 2, that is 60, and the remainder is 0. 60 divided by 2, that is 30. The remainder is 0. 30 divided by 2, that is 15, and the remainder is 0. 15 divided by 2, that is 7, and the remainder is 1. 1 divided by 2, that is 3, and the remainder is 1. 3 divided by 2, that is 1, and the remainder is 1. 1 divided by 2, that is 0, and the remainder is 1. So this is 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Now to reach this point, we have 1 4 5 7. The exponent is 7. And if I put a point here and find out the decimal value, that's going to be the mantissa. So here this one is at 2 power 0 location, so that's 1. And 2 power minus 1, we have 1. Minus 2, we have 1 4. And then minus 3, we have 1, that is 1 over 8. And if you add them together, that's the mantissa. So this is 1.875. 4 digits gone, 12 more digits left. We fill up that one with zeros. 1 2 3 4 3 4. And that's our mantissa. And that's how we do that's how you can do this kind of problems. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.